Okay guys, so if you're getting this error message on your YouTube app, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So you see for me it says update required. You can either quit or press update. So the thing is guys, when I press update, so within the App Store, the option here is for open. So there's no update option. So what you want to do here guys is go into your settings, press on general, press on software update. So go and update your version of iPad OS. Press on download and install. So if an update is not available, what I would do is on your iPad, go to settings, go to general, press on about. So do a web search for your model name, model number, see if it still supports the new version of iOS. Just make sure that there's not another reason why you can't download the update. So if your iPad is too old for a new version of iPad OS, I would recommend this one. So new iPad Air is much less expensive than the Pro models, for example. It's also pretty thin. Install the update. So now when you open YouTube, once again getting the update required, press continue. So now you should have the option to update. Okay, one more time now when you open YouTube, press and open. Yep, there you have it. So yeah, now it should work. Okay guys, thanks for watching.